Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ankit. It's Sunday and it's 11 a.m. and I'm all set to go to Sarojini Nagar. Those who don't know what Sarojini Nagar is, it's a local market in Delhi जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ता सामान मिलता है. लाइक लिटरली 200 रुपीज़ में टी शर्ट्स और जीन्स आपको 300 या 400 रुपये के अंदर मिल जाएगी. तो अभी मैं वहीं जाने वाला हूँ और थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करते हैं. बिफोर वी गो देयर, मेक श्योर यू हिट सब्सक्राइब बटन, प्रेस द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड लेट्स गो. So Sarojini Nagar is a local market in Delhi where you get all the first copies of brands like Adidas, Superdry, Calvin Klein. It's mainly famous for girls, but for boys also you will get a huge variety. The only thing you should know is how to find it. After a long search, I finally liked this lure. So the guy was selling it for 500, but I bought it for 250 rupees only. So you should also know how to bargain. Hey guys, so I'm back from the shopping and it's the next day and I didn't buy much stuff from Sarojini Nagar, but I bought 4 things which I'll show you just now. First things first, I bought this first copy of Alan Solly. It's a polo t-shirt and when I saw this first, I really liked this because ये बिल्कुल original की जैसे लग रही थी and you won't believe what was the price. It was worth rupees 150 only. So I bought it immediately and once in a while when I have to go to office on Fridays, I'll wear this one. So the next thing is I bought a pair of shorts. One is in blue color and one is in black color. जिम जाने के लिए या फिर घर पे भी गर्मियों में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं and I really like the fabric और ये दोनों मुझे पड़े थे 250 रुपए के. So it was worth. So the next thing is I bought Nike lower in just rupees 250. So this is the lower and it is exactly the first copy of Nike and you can see the tag also. It is first copy of Nike और ये मुझे पड़ा था 250 rupees में. I couldn't resist myself and I bought it. So guys, this was it from Sarojini Nagar. Next thing I bought it from Zara. You guys know how I love Zara. So I bought 2 things, not much. And there was a huge sale going on. मुझे सब चीज़ें बहुत सस्ती पड़ी हैं. So the first thing is this blue sweater. I really like the color and the fitting was very good. Or I missed the tag I think, and this was worth rupees 990 and the original price for this sweater was 2500 rupees, but I got it for 990, so it was a steal deal. Next thing, I bought this trouser. I really liked the color and the fitting was very good. I didn't had this color, so and after wearing this मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. The original price for this trouser was rupees 2790 rupees, but I got this for rupees 990, so it was a steal deal. That was it from Zara. So the next thing is from Gap. मैं Gap से बहुत कम शॉपिंग करता हूँ बट बहुत अच्छी डिस्काउंट चल रही थी. So first thing I bought this t-shirt. It was on 50% discount. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 1500 रुपये and I got this for 750 rupees. Fabric was very good and the fitting was also very nice, so I bought it. Next thing is another t-shirt and this was also on 50% discount. इसका भी प्राइस एक्जैक्टली सेम है 1500 रुपीज़ और ये मुझे 750 रुपीज़ में पड़ी थी. सो आई थिंक यू कैन से 1500 रुपीज़ में मुझे 2 टी शर्ट्स पड़ी हैं. सो दैट्स इट. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ट्राई. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, do subscribe. Let me know in the comment section कि आपको मेरी कौन सी शॉपिंग सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी. Follow me on my Instagram. Here is my handle and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.